Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today we're going to talk about hair color. I've been dyeing my hair blonde for about 15 years. Crazy, I know. But that only means I have some experience when it comes to blonde hair. Only recently I started liking cooler and cooler tones, but what annoys me the most is when I have those yellow tones. So in this video, I'll show you the before and then I'll give you the step-by-step of how to achieve this hair color. So let's get to work. So this is what my hair looks like about a month after I last dyed it. My roots are showing and I don't have that nice silvery blonde. You can tell I have some yellow tones. That's mainly because I haven't been using the purple shampoo anymore. But that's fine because I have the right fix for it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to dye my roots with a permanent color. And this is what I'm going for. This is the Special Blonde line. And the shade I'm going to go for is 1281. And I'm going to mix this with the 12% developer. But that's only for my roots. For the rest of my hair, I'm going to use Matrix Color Sync in shade SBA. Shade SBA means Sheer Pastel Ash. And I'm going to mix that with the Matrix 2.7 developer. Now let's get to work. So I've started mixing the two. It's 1 part hair dye and 2 parts developer. I do want to mention that I usually go for L'Oreal for my roots, but this time I went for Wella because my hairstylist told me that it lifts way better than L'Oreal. Okay, so now what I do is I wait 15 to 20 minutes, never more because even 15 minutes is more than enough for me. Okay, now it's time to go wash my hair. Be right back. Okay, so I've applied the toner, I've mixed it 1 part toner, 1 part developer. I've washed my hair and now I'm ready to dry my hair and see the result. Let's go. So this is the final look. I've applied the toner, I've mixed 1 part toner, 1 part developer, I've washed my hair with shampoo, I've applied a treatment, and then I've dried my hair. It's just the right amount of warm without being too gray. But the most important part to be able to maintain this color is to apply purple shampoo at least once a week. So if you want to recreate this look, you have the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Mwah!